The sentence machine is a tool that uses Apple's onboard Apple Intelligence to generate a random sentence based on a selected topic. It gives therapists and teachers a quick and engaging intervention tool for practicing handwriting, sentence structure, reading, and language skills. Please be aware that Apple Intelligence requires a compatible device, such as an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, an iPad mini with A17 Pro, or an iPad Air or iPad Pro with an M1 chip or newer. When the tool is used on a device that does not support Apple Intelligence, a generic fallback sentence related to the sentence topic will be generated instead. To begin, tap the Sentence Machine button from the main menu. This will open the Sentence Machine landing page. In the first card, enter your subject or theme in the text field at the top of the card. Below the text field, use the drop-down menu to select the approximate grade level for the sentence. Users can choose from kindergarten through 5th grade. When you are ready, tap the Spin Sentence button. The cards will begin spinning before displaying a generated response for who, does, and where. Please keep in mind that Apple Intelligence can occasionally produce unpredictable results. The app cannot guarantee complete accuracy or perfect adherence to grammatical conventions. If you are not satisfied with the sentence that was generated, simply tap the Spin Again button to create a new one. Below the Spin Sentence button, you will find a toggle for picture cues. When this option is turned on, simple emojis will be added to the words on who, does, and where cards to help support student understanding. Because the picture cues are also generated using Apple Intelligence, the app cannot guarantee that every emoji will perfectly match its corresponding word. Below the first card, users will find a second card containing a complete sentence model that the student can copy. Use the writing line selector to display the sentence on single line, 2-line, 3-line, or no-line paper. This allows you to select the format that best matches your student's needs or your school district's handwriting curriculum. On an iPhone, the sentence model may appear small. Tap the Enlarge button in the upper right corner of the card to open a larger student view. Within the enlarged view, users can adjust the sentence size from 80% to 240%. Once an appropriate size has been selected, the student can scroll horizontally to reveal the entire sentence as they copy it. The Sentence Machine also includes the same visual display supports available in the word checker section of the handwriting checklist. Users can turn the lowercase zone on or off, display multicolored writing zones, remove the writing guidelines, and adjust the visibility of the guidelines using the slider provided. The Sentence Machine also includes complementary worksheets that can be used alongside the tool. These worksheets can be accessed by tapping the button at the bottom of the Sentence Machine page or by opening the Resources section from the main menu. Worksheets are available in both 2-line and 3-line formats. Each worksheet contains an area for the student to copy their generated sentence, along with a box where they can draw a picture that matches the sentence. Tap the Share button in the upper right corner to email, text, airdrop, print, or share the worksheets through third-party apps used by your school district. The Sentence Machine provides a quick and flexible way to create engaging writing prompts while supporting handwriting, sentence development, reading, and language skills. With the adjustable grade levels, picture cues, visual writing supports, and printable worksheets, the tool can be customized to meet the needs of a wide range of students.